Hey, this is Rob Harbison here at Heyward Allen Toyota. I was just sending you a quick little video just so you can see the new 2016 RAV4 XLE that we just got in today. Super clean. This RAV4, as you're going to see it, let me shut the door so I can get that information. You'll see it's got 40,369 miles on it. This vehicle does, of course, have a compass. It'll tell you the name of the road and the speed. You've got your radio information, your messages. You've got your automatic liftgate here where you can turn on and set the settings. You will have your Bluetooth, all your radio controls, your cruise control here. This vehicle does have your AM/FM stereo, satellite radio. As you can see, it does have a navigation screen. You can also do all your radio channels.
What would you like to do?
FM 97.1.
What was that?
FM 97.1.
Tuning to 97.1 FM.
You'll see that you can do all your radio channels. You can change that. This is also a multicast radio. So up top here, you're going to see the 1, 2, 3. So you can hit that, and it actually gives you the ability to play 4 kinds of rock music under the same radio station. You also have a built-in DVR to listen to the last 20 minutes. You can tag a song, so you can see that it can download to your iPod. You'll have your sport and your economy mode. You do, of course, have a sunroof and an automatic liftgate. Why don't you give me a call, 770-365-4178. Let's get you behind the wheel of this RAV4. Lots of miles left, certified warranty. Thank you.